In this video, we'll compare the string objects using relational operator. I've created the project here, and included the string header file. Before getting into objects though, let's actually declare two characters, C1, and assign to it the character 0, let's say. And if you recall, character 0 has int value of, I believe it is 48. And let's also declare another character, C2, and let's place in there a lowercase a, and the C2 character has int value of I believe 97. Right? We can actually compare characters. I can go to statement if and say if C1 is less than C2, then simply just see out the same statement. C1 is less than C2, and end line. If that is the case, if C1 is less than C2, then the statement in line 9 will be executed. Otherwise, it will not. Now, I forgot to include using namespace in the project. Let me bring that up, standard, because it's not recognizing cout and end line, and that's an indication of the namespace is missing. They are in the namespace. All right, I can run this and look at the output. Now, how are characters compared? How does relational operators such as less than work on characters? Basically, the system compares their integer values. So basically, that is equivalent to if C1 has integer value 48. If 48 is less than integer value of C2 is 97. If 48 is less than number 97, if that's true, then the cout will be executed. And in this case, it is true. So when I run this program, I need to activate this one. When I run the program, we will actually see the text C1 is less than C2. All right. Otherwise, if I change their place, if I make this C2 less than C1, we won't see that output. Right? We've changed it, the output will not appear. So let's keep it the way it is with the comment that I have in there. Now, what about strings? How are strings compared? Let me declare two strings here. String objects, the string object S1, and let's place in it the name Bob. Right? And then also let's declare another string object S2, and then let's place in it boy. We want to compare these two objects, right? I can actually use the relational operator if S1 is less than S2, right? If that's the case, cout. If that's the case, I want to say S1 is less than S2. I want to say write the text Bob is less than boy, let's say, end line, and else the other situation. So cout boy is less than Bob. Right, end line. Let me clean up a little bit here. And now, how is the comparison done here? Well, this relational operator that you see here, less than, will start comparing the two text character by character from left-hand side. So it will compare B, uppercase B and uppercase B. They have the same integer value. Okay, they're equal. It moves on to the next character. O, they are the same, moves on to the next character. And then it has B, but what is the integer value of B? The integer value of B has int value of 97 or 98, in fact 98. That's right after A. And then what about Y? Y has int value of 121, I believe. So uppercase B's were the same, lowercase O's were the same. You get to the third character, B and Y. You notice now B is less than 121. B is 98. 98 is less than 128, so this is true. Right? Meaning that the text Bob is less than boy will appear in the output. So I'm going to run this. Bob is less than boy, it appears. And if I switch them around, S2 and then S1, this will be false. S2, which is 121, is not less than 98, just considering the last character here. So the condition will be false. The second alternative, boy is less than Bob, will be printed. Boy is less than Bob will be printed.